Hi, this is Ashley, and today we're going to be discussing the harmful effects pyrethroids have on the fish population. A pyrethroid is an organic compound that is similar to natural pyrethrins, which is produced by flowers called pyrethrums. This is the molecular formula of a pyrethroid. Pyrethroids are insecticides that are within a special chemical class of active ingredients found in many insecticides today, and is used to kill insects such as mosquitoes, but extends its toxicity to bees, dragonflies, mayflies, gadflies, and other invertebrates. Pyrethroids are especially toxic to aquatic organisms such as fish. The US EPA has claimed they evaluated these chemicals for the use of killing insects, and they also say that they have very little risk to human and environmental health if used properly. They also say if you're exposed to these chemicals, it may result in irritated respiratory conditions. You may experience dizziness, headaches, nausea, and diarrhea, and that there is zero evidence that pyrethroid causes any birth defects in humans or causes cancer. Although the US EPA has deemed the chemicals safe for use, many other researchers have found evidence that it has a negative effect to the environment. Pyrethroids generate oxidative stress, which modifies DNA, RNA, protein, lipid, and carbohydrate molecules. Pyrethroids are lipid soluble, so any contact with the skin, digestive tract, and respiratory tract results in their penetration into the body. Type 2 pyrethroids, represented by deltamethrin and cypermethrin, are associated with choroathetosis salivation syndrome, in which salivation and muscle dysfunction occur. The influence of oxidative stress generated by pyrethroids on the modification of DNA, RNA, proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates, both in cells and extracellularly, has been proven in numerous studies. Children and pregnant women are at risk of faster pyrethroid penetration into the body. It's been proven that pyrethroids and their metabolites can be found in human milk, which is a huge risk to newborns. Pyrethroids are the most hazardous to aquatic species such as fish. There have been many situations where there have been huge fish kills that have resulted from pesticide use. In 2013, in the town of Barclay Brook, Canada, more than 2,000 dead fish were found and were washed up on the banks of the river in western PEI after a heavy rain. In the United States, there was a death of over 1 million fish in the year of 1991 in Louisiana after aerial spraying of the insecticide. These insecticides run off into the streams and other aquatic habitats, and pesticide residues can be sustained for long periods in the environment due to their decreased biodegradation properties. Deltamethrin, cypermethrin, and lambda cyhalothrin are representative of pyrethroid pesticides that induce oxidative stress in tissues such as the gills, liver, and muscles of fish, and causes histopathological changes, and they induce DNA damage and apoptosis in fish. The symptoms associated with acute lethality shows the effects of pyrethroids on the nervous system, respiratory surfaces, and renal ion regulation are associated with the mechanism of lethal action in fish. Lethality varies with the biological species, size, and environmental, temperature and sediment factors. But pyrethroid pesticides are shown to cause ROS mediated oxidative stress in fish species, including carp, tilapia, and trout. They also cause lipid paradoxation and alter the state of DNA, proteins, lipids in the cells of the fish. Thank you so much for watching my slideshow, and I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.